eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 for you.
Since we are working with glitters today, I'm going to start off this tutorial by priming my eyes using the Too Faced eyeshadow primer. I'm just applying that all over my eyes using my fingertips, and then I'm going to set it with the Cutty Airspun loose powder in the shade Transparent. And the palette that we are using today is the Beauty Creations Irresistible palette, and I'm using the shade Infatuated in my crease using a blending brush. So I'm just going to keep building up the color of this eyeshadow on my crease until I reach my desired pigmentation. Then after that, I'm going to use Love Letter all over my eyelids, and I'm just going to apply that using my fingertips. This will act as a base for the glitter that we are going to apply later. And then after that, don't forget to blend it out with the same blending brush that we used earlier. And now we are going to apply the glitter. If you guys have the glitter primer, you can use that, but since I don't have that yet, so I'm just going to use the Duo eyelash adhesive just for the glitters to stick on my eyes. So what I'm doing here is I'm just applying the adhesive first, and then I'm going to pack in the glitter on top of that, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I covered all of my eyelids with the glitters. And then of course, don't forget to blend it out again. And then we are going to apply Peaches and Cream from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and apply that on our brow bone to highlight. And then we are going to line our upper lash line with the Hyper Sharp Ring Liner from Maybelline. It's a little bit tricky since we are putting it on top of the glitter, but you can just layer it out. And for the wing, I'm actually trying out this Vamp Stamp, and I actually enjoyed it. So what I'm basically doing is I'm just applying the eyeliner and stamping it on my eyes, and as you guys can see, it actually worked out, but I still need to fill that in because the eyeliner dries out, so I really have to fix it with an eyeliner. And then I'm going to tight line my upper and lower waterline using the Tarteist eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, I believe, or Black. And then we are going to curl our lashes and apply some mascara as a base for your falsies. And then for my foundation, I'm going to use yung Dermacol foundation in the shades 224 and 218. I just mix it out for me to be able to get the perfect shade for my skin tone. And I'm just going to apply this foundation all over my face using a brush. So as you guys can see, sobrang pigmented talaga yung foundation na to, and it really does help in hiding all the skin imperfections that I have on my skin. And I'm also using the shade 218 to highlight the center part of my face, and I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques na sponge. And then after that, we are going to set everything with the powder, and I'm using the Cartier Spun loose powder in shade translucent or transparent. This is actually the first time that I've used this powder, and to be honest with you guys, okay siya. Maganda siyang pang-control ng oiliness ng skin. And then for the bronzing and contouring on my face, I'm going to use yung Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour and Highlight Palette in the shade Medium to Tan. And I'm using that shade to bronze my face, just to bring back the color on my face. And then after that, I'm going to use a large fan brush and the darkest shade on the palette to contour my face, and this will really give a definition on our face and yung magsislim down sa ating face. And after that, I am also going to use that lighter shade sa palette to contour my nose kasi ayoko naman sobrang pack yung nose. And then I'm going to use yung Makeup Revolution na blush palette. And I'm using those two colors just to add a little bit of blush on my cheeks. And for the highlighter, I'm using yung BB Advance na bagong highlighter nila in the shade Strobe. And as you guys can see, this highlighter is super blinding. Nashock nga ako nung nilagay ko siya kasi konti lang naman yung nilagay ko sa fan brush, pero sobrang blinding niya. But this highlighter does accentuate the texture on my skin, kaya hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. Pero kung gusto niyo yung super blinding, I think this is going to be a good product for you. And now, let us work with my brows. I already have a tutorial on that. So, i-fast forward ko na lang yung ginagawa ko dito. But I'm just basically doing the same thing that I always do whenever I have a glamorous na look. Yes, sana ganun kadali yung pag-apply ng kilay, no? And now, I'm going to use yung Infatuated again on the lower lash line para mas smoke out lang siya and build it up. And then, I'm going to use yung shade na Love Letter on the inner corner of my lower lash line and on the tear duct area para magkaroon ng highlight yung ating eyes. And lastly, I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes. So, for the lips, I'm using yung Pinkies Collection na lip liner in the shade Burgundy, I think, or red. Hindi ko lang sure, pero yan siya. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below. So, niline ko lang siya and fill in ko lang yung lips ko. And I'm using MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo as my lipstick for today. And yeah, that is it for the makeup tutorial for this week, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to become a part of my beloved family. So I will see you guys again next week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget what I always say to you guys: don't let your dreams just be dreams, make your dreams possible. And I will see you guys again next week. Bye! Mwah. guys, I am going to review a couple of products that I've seen from Facebook, Instagram, yung mga tools and products that I got curious with. Kasi I've seen a lot of advertisements about them and I wanted to try them out and see if yung advertisements ba is totoo or magiging expectations versus reality yung ganap. If you guys wanted to know my thoughts on these products, then just keep on watching.